In the past 8 years, the Mi Band series has evolved from its initially simplest form to the most popular wearable device with a 1.62-inch screen. And just when all the fans were wondering where the band would go next, Xiaomi gave their answer in a surprise move. And here is the brand new Xiaomi Band 7 Pro. I can tell you what are the biggest changes in the Xiaomi Band 7 Pro right at the beginning of this video. A new design closer to a smartwatch with vibrant straps, a larger screen with AOD feature, the built-in GPS, and a slightly higher price as well. Now let's find out what changes these upgrades will bring in daily use. Or let me figure out another question, is it really deserve the title of Pro? While there are already some of these products on the market that fall between smart bands and smart watches such as a Redmi Watch and Huawei Watch Fit series, the Xiaomi Band 7 Pro really brings a sleek design that renews the budget smart wearable market. It comes in two colors variants. What we got today is the white one, and there's another black variant for option. In fact, it looks closer to cream tone with a very light pink. It has a wider strap, of which the TPU material allows you to wear it all day without any discomfort. Even though it weighs twice as much as the Mi Band 7, you will even forget it's there when wearing it. For the first time, Xiaomi brought the metal frame to this smart band series and makes the band really look like a watch. The strap is also mounted differently from the previous Xiaomi band. Now you can pull out the straps by pressing the snap at the joint. From the product page, we can see that Xiaomi seems to be planning to offer 6 different colors of TPU straps and 2 additional options with leather textures. Although we only have 2 options at the moment, I'm already looking forward to combining different color straps together. On the bottom of the dial, there's a sensor module and a set of metal contacts for charging. There are no physical buttons or crown on the band. The only thing you can find on the side is the microphone for Xiaomi's voice assistant Xiaoai, which by far is still only available in Chinese language, and voice call is still not supported. Xiaomi Band 7 Pro comes with an 1.64-inch AMOLED screen. You can see that the bezel of the screen is not equal in width. The bezel at the bottom is slightly wider. Considering its price is not even as high as the straps of Apple Watch, the bezels are still acceptable. With the larger screen, you can now see more content on a single page, and 2 columns of icons are displayed on the features page at the same time, so you can quickly access what you want. Xiaomi has offered a number of special dials for you to pick from, which are well designed and it can stay on screen for up to 5 minutes. You can also create your own DIY dial by combining different components on some customized faces. You may be concerned about whether the brightness of the screen has been improved. In fact, it is similar to the Xiaomi Band 7. The display looks great indoors, but still hard to read outdoors in the sunlight. After all, its battery capacity has only increased by 30% compared to the Xiaomi Band 7. On the other hand, it supports auto brightness adjustment, so you are no longer required to manually adjust the screen brightness between day and night. In addition to the larger size, another point with noting is support of AOD, which allows simple information like clock to be displayed on the screen all day long. You can find a large number of AOD-enabled dials in the minimalist category of the store. This is absolutely a killer feature. Can you imagine that Apple Watch series with the same features but only priced at $399? On the other hand, it's worth noting that all-day AOD has an impact on battery life. I've left it on since day one, but it's barely visible outdoors, and I think Xiaomi should add an option for the AOD to automatically switch based on ambient light, since it didn't really work outdoors during the day. And none of the AOD dials support message notifications yet. Before we talk about the OS, I want to show you the touch sensitivity of the Xiaomi Band 7 Pro. You can see that swiping through the feature list is quite smooth, but it's a bit laggy when switching between pages, especially when you swipe down to check notifications. Its UI animation are also no different from the Mi Band 7, and there is no special transition when opening or exiting a function. Well, considering the price, I'm fine with it. You might think that as a Pro version, it would offer more features than the standard one, but in fact, Xiaomi has even removed some of the basic features, such as the Windows device unlock feature that I really like. I really hope Xiaomi will bring them back to the Band series in the following firmware updates. There are still some new features that we haven't talked about yet. Yes, the Mi Band 7 Pro finally supports standalone GPS, so now it can independently record your route for outdoor sports such as running and cycling without relying on a phone. Xiaomi claims that the new band can achieve up to 12 days of battery life in typical use. Of course, you will be curious about its battery life with the AOD function on. According to my tracking, it consumes 30% of power in 24 hours. The figure will drop to 10% if you turn off AOD, so I don't know if you think this is a good deal. Well, that's all about the Xiaomi Band 7. Actually, I prefer to call it Mi Band 7 Plus. It seems like an enlarged version of Xiaomi Band 7 with adding GPS, and it's more suitable for those outdoor sport enthusiasts, but it's just not pro enough as I expected. For those Xiaomi Band 7 owners, if you prefer a lighter wearing experience, you can absolutely wait for Xiaomi Band 8, and not surprisingly, both GPS and AOD feature will be brought to it. So what do you guys think about the Xiaomi Band 7 Pro? Please leave your ideas and questions down below the video. And as you know, there will be a lot of amazing digital products released in July, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I'm Will from Gizmochina. See you soon.